I will talk about the first muzzan in Islam, who was the first person who was calling the people for prayers. Here today we will talk about Huzrat Bilal. He was the first muazzin, caller to prayers in Islam. Huzrat Bilal was a slave in Makkah. He was the first slave in Makkah, and he was a person who was earliest accept the Islam. He was the slave of a person who was against to Islam, Umayyah bin Khalaf. When he found out the Bilal accept the message of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then he tortured to Bilal mercilessly, and he placed a heavy stone on the chest of Hazrat Bilal and dragging him on the burning stands. And a lot of other things he did with Hazrat Bilal, and he persecuted him. But Hazrat Bilal, he had a strong belief. He never gave up with great belief on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And he was just saying, Ahad, Ahad mean Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is one, God is one. After when he emigrated in Medina, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam chose him the first muazzin in Islam, the first person who was calling for prayer in Islam, because his beautiful voice was touching the people's heart. And after the death of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when he passed away, the Hazrat Bilal was so sad and heartbroken. He left the Medina and he left the azan. He was not going to perform the azan. After years ago, Hazrat Bilal saw the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in dream. And Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to Hazrat Bilal, "O Bilal, have you not come to visit me?" Then it came the mind of Hazrat Bilal, why Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying me, "You not came to visit me?" Then he returned to Medina, and he gave a azan. So after years ago, when people listens again the Bilal voice, a lot of people moved to masjid for prayer. So the same